Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the RPC error that you might be getting on Odoo when trying to install a module. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you're not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there, and this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account or creating an account if you do not already have one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From where you can open up the editor mode in the upper left corner and get started with accessing configuration, site settings, and so on. So let's go into look at how to fix the RPC error. So basically guys, you can see right here on the official odoo.com forum, somebody already asked the same question on getting the RPC error while installing Odoo modules, and here we have an answer on what fixed the forum. So basically, if you need any more help, I suggest going to the forums and searching for this error to see any similar posts. But as you can see, somebody here posted a reply on what helped them fix it, and basically it's updating PostgreSQL to the latest version guys. So as you can see, they have upgraded SQL version to the latest one, and it's going to go and solve the issues. As you can see, everybody is suggesting the same thing, to upgrade the database to the latest version. So what I suggest for you to do is do that as well, and this should usually fix your problem. But if you need any more help, go to the forum, ask a question, and somebody is going to help you out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.